Alright, good morning guys, good afternoon, good evening. It all depends on when you are coming across to this YouTube channel, okay? So we are Brainybite tutorial, okay? So what we do in this platform is that we teach you guys everything and give you guys update on everything that concerns Jamb, admission, post-UTME and a whole lot of them. Alright, so if you want to gain admission this year, or if you have been struggling with admission, you want to gain admission, you want, by all means, you just want to be in school this year, what I want you to do is what I want you to do is to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all the bell notifications so that whenever I drop amazing updates just like the one you are watching right now, YouTube will notify you. Okay, so for those that will watch this video from beginning to the end of this video, so I will be dropping updates at the very end of this video so that will help you succeed. Okay, so if you check out this video, you'll see that we have the topic of today as Nnamdi Azikiwe University, popularly known as Unizik. Okay, so the reason why we have Nnamdi Azikiwe University, popularly known as Unizik, is because after the just concluded Jamb UTME examination, some Jamb candidate has come to ask me the way forward or the next thing to do after now, the next thing to do after the examination. Okay, so I've promised them that I will come here to answer the questions. All right, so basically now, which is the next thing to do after Jamb UTME examination is post-UTME. Of course, post-UTME forms and screening forms is not yet out now because Jamb are not yet done with the results, so that's why they still have some candidates' results withheld. So they are not yet done with the results. So it is only when they are done with the result that they can be able to hold their policy meeting and decide the cutoff mark. As such, schools will carry on with the sales of 2024/2025 post-UTME form. So it is advised for you to stay on this platform, subscribe to this platform, turn on all the bell notifications so that whenever school's form starts, I will update you and you'll be the first to know and you can be able to purchase a form. However, note that Nnamdi Azikiwe University, popularly known as Unizik, they don't write post-UTME. What they do is screening. All right, internal screening. That's what they do. They will screen you with your Jamb results and your 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 WAEC results, and at the end of the day, they give you admission. Okay, that's basically what they do. Okay, so now for those that have watched from beginning to this very side of this video, so let me give you the update. We have WhatsApp community for our 2024 registered UTME candidates. However, you yourself, you can also become our member. Just let me know in the comment section that you want to join us, and I would rather to give you my WhatsApp number so that you can message me on WhatsApp. Then after getting to know you, then I'll add you on the WhatsApp community. All right. So, secondly, in our WhatsApp community, you have access to WAEC questions and answers on daily basis. Alright, WAEC questions and answers on daily basis. So you have access to NECO questions and answers also there. So you have access to your school post-UTME past question. If it's a school that is writing post-UTME, you have access to your post-UTME past questions and answers. Okay, so you have our mentorship. You are free to ask us any question on WhatsApp, and we'll be ready to answer you. So as long as you're in our WhatsApp community, there's no way you won't get admission. Okay, so and um, very lastly, we know that once you get admission, it will be a bit difficult for you to cope with only the money or the allowances your parents give you. We look for a way you will be looking for a way to be doing side by side business that can help you get you some funds that you can be able to use to assist yourself in school. So that is why we are launching our program next year that can help our students to survive in school. So you can become one of our members. As long as you're one of our members, once our project is ongoing, once we launch the program, then you become one of us. All right. So and once you are one of us, automatically you're a member of our program, and for there the program will be fetching you money on daily basis you can use to support yourself in school. Okay, so if this is exactly what you want. All right, so just hit the subscribe button, turn on all the bell notification. If you want to join us on WhatsApp platform, let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number. So don't forget that we love and cherish you guys. Subscribe and turn on bell notifications. So once your school form is out, I'll notify you guys. I love you guys. Remember Brainybite. I love you guys. I love each and every one of us. Keep winning.